Hi, I'm Virgin Berberna and I am here to discuss about 10 tips that help you achieve success in life. First, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve both short-term and long-term. Having clear goals provides direction and motivation. Second, develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. Be open to feedback and constantly seek ways to grow. The third one is prioritize and manage time effectively. Identify your most important tasks and allocate time accordingly. Avoid procrastination and learn to say no to non-essential commitments. Number 4. Build strong relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and inspiring individuals. Cultivate meaningful connection and maintain a positive network. Number 5. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay curious and actively seek knowledge in your field and beyond. Be adaptable to change and embrace new opportunities. 6. Take calculated risk. Stepping outside your comfort zone can lead to significant growth. Evaluate risk carefully and be prepared to learn from your mistakes. 7. Persevere through challenges. Success rarely comes easy. Expect setbacks and maintain a resilient attitude. Learn from failures and use them as stepping stones. 8. Practice self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep and eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, and engage in activities that brings you joy. 9. Believe in yourself. Confidence is crucial for success. Cultivate self-belief and trust in your abilities. And lastly, 10. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, big or small. It's important to recognize your progress and stay motivated.